subscribe.
So welcome back to Kim Tube, KYM Tube, KYM Tube. And I need for you to like, share, and subscribe. You gotta hit the like button, baby. Hit the like, do me a favor. So I'm at my last stage now of my deck. Let me show you what I've done.
So here we are. I'm about to jump on this and knock these stairs out. I don't want to bore you with a long video of showing you what I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do is do a time lapse. I'm going to start it off and then come back and put it on the time lapse. We'll start it off with a regular video, start cutting it up a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. But after that, I'm going to put it on a time lapse so you can see me get it out of here real quick. So stay tuned. Let's get it, baby. I got my steel chainsaw. One of the best you can have. You know how I roll. Quit playing. I gotta have the best. So let's get to it. I've already checked the gas and all. We ready to go, baby. I'm rushing the sun. I can rest when I die. You heard what I said. I can rest when I die. Let's go.
You're killing me, Smalls.
Now, I just broke up the slab. That's a good cardio workout for me. This is why I go to the gym. Not so I can fight, not so I can just look good, so I can get through my job. When I get tired, I try to keep going, to keep my heart rate up, so I can get some double benefits out here. Steps are down, and we're gonna continue with this project. Hey, look, Kim Tube, KYM Tube, T-U-B-E. Like, share, and subscribe. I got a lot more projects I want to show you too. Some of them you really need to know for your well-being. I Can't wait to show you the plumbing that I replaced in this house. House is about 50 years old, I think it is. And if your house is anywhere from 30 to 50 years old, you need to see what I got to share. Kim, K-Y-M Tube, T-U-B-E. Like, share, subscribe. Turn on the bell, the ringer, too, so when I share another YouTube video, it'll pop up. All right. Thanks for watching. So today it's time for me to close this deal right here now. Been working on my deck, got the rails up everywhere. And today I want to finish this up right here. This will be the ending of this, other than staining it. Yep, got my ramp put up. And the rails all up. I think it looks pretty neat. And so I need to go on and close this deal right here by knocking this out. So let's get it. Oh.
You're killing me, Smalls.
I'm gonna put this 2x4 here across here, just like this is. See that? So I need to put one across here and I will be done.
You're killing me, Smalls.